All right, guys, we are back. You are listening to K-Talk Radio 1640 AM. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I'm your host, Yoshi Shiraki, and our very special guest is Mom May Bimey.
Yes.
Okay, the Olympian. We've got an Olympian today in the studio sharing her story, which is rare because, as we said before, just less than I don't remember 0.01% of the world that ever gets to be an Olympian. It's an amazing accomplishment.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. So you've got a nightmare story that you have prepared for us. Please, why don't you go ahead and dive into it?
Okay. So this happened. When did it happen? So I think it was right before the games. Yeah, it was before the game or before the trials for Olympic trials.
Okay.
And we had international skaters skating with us, and we were doing just like some sort of drill, and the drill was basically like just passing on the outside and like getting to the front.
Gotcha.
And so me and so it's like the girls, and so me and two other people or something like that, and like one of the international skaters was skating behind us.
Gotcha.
And they were getting ready to pass, and they were setting up to pass. And I don't even know what happened or how it happened. But basically, we were skating, and the next thing I know, my mouth and my lip is bleeding, and my lip and my chin is bleeding. And then people afterwards, people are telling me basically what had happened was Hannah, that's where her name is, Hannah. She was passing me on the outside, and then she fell, and her blade literally snapped in half.
Oh my
gosh! And a chunk of it sliced my lip and my chin.
Holy cow!
Yeah.
It just shot up. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. It just snapped in half, and then a chunk of it it was a pretty big chunk.
Yeah.
I was like, holy cow! A chunk of it sliced my my lip and my chin. And I'm very, very surprised that it didn't slice my eyes or anything.
Seriously.
Because at that point, at that point I didn't have any glasses on. I didn't wear any protective eyewear.
Yeah.
I was just I don't like it.
Yeah.
But yeah, after that I started wearing eyeglasses, anything to protect me from something like that.
No kidding.
So I was off the ice for about a week, just healing and stuff, and I got stitches. I don't know how many stitches I got. The surgeon said that he put it was 3 layers of stitches.
Holy cow, deep.
Yeah, so it was very deep, so deep that you can see my fat.
Oh my gosh.
The fat on my chin. I was oh my gosh, this is crazy. So I have a permanent scar on my chin. My lip, you can't see it because it's just it healed and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's. So I have a battle scar, and I'm pretty happy about that.
Wow.
Yeah, I actually, it's funny because I think I was laughing during the whole thing. I don't know. I was just oh, okay, cool, this happened, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And I was just laughing about it and just going about my day and stuff. Wow, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's my nightmare story. And the lesson I learned was just to
wear glasses.
Yeah, wear glasses, because speed skating, you never know what happens.
Yeah.
And you can I think someone told me that someone got their eye taken out or something that because of that. Because someone fell in front of them and
I could see that.
Horrible stuff. But so fun times.
Wow. So you didn't fall though, right?
No.
You were just still skating, and out of nowhere this thing hit you in the face.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And then I think I felt it. I don't really remember it, but I think I felt something, and I just held my my chin and my lip, and then I looked down and there was blood on my gloves. I was oh,
wow,
I'm bleeding.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so
no camera footage?
No, I don't think so. No, because it was only the girls skating, and the guys were in the middle, and they obviously saw what happened, and I was just oh wow, okay, cool. Yeah.
Was Hannah an international skater?
Yeah, she was from Belgium.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
She's from Belgium, and right now she's skating with the Netherlands.
Got it.
So but they're amazing people. They're super nice. I love their team and stuff. I just think what happened was really funny, and obviously harm was done, but no
major harm.
Yeah, exactly. Where I can where I physically have exactly. So I'm not mad about it. Things happen.
Oh, so. Yeah. Complete accident. You should next time you see her go, I can't believe you did that to me. Yeah.
Or like if we're like in a race together or something, you're like, so you remember when you like did that to me?
Yeah.
You should like let me win this.
Yeah.
Because just like a little sorry or like a little gift to me.
Right.
Yeah. Fun
Oh
times.
man, was she okay in her little crash?
Oh yeah. She was fine. Because I like it was just like super surprising.
Yeah.
Because like I don't think it's ever been happened that like a blade like snaps in
God,
half.
seriously.
So it's just like she must have just been pushing super strong.
Yeah. What'd she crash into? The wall?
Yeah. She crashed
Okay.
into the pads, and like thank goodness too, because the pad system here is very like. So like if you fall, like it like what's it called? Embraces you.
Oh, absorbs it, kind of.
Yeah. So like
Okay.
it's unless like it's a really bad crash with like one or like two or more people.
Yeah.
Then like it's pretty bad, but depending on like how you fall. But
Yeah.
if you like fall in like a okay way, then there's
Yes.
like not a chance that you'll get hurt.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you ever see the footage of J.R. Selski? Did you know how he got?
Yeah. I think it was at like the Olympic trials or something. Like,
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, 2014.
I think.
Yeah, I don't remember because I was like super young. But
Yeah.
like afterwards I saw it and I was just like blood gushing everywhere.
Yeah.
It was horrible.
Yeah.
I'm still so amazed that he was able to skate after that. 'Cause
Incredible.
yeah, I know for a fact that if that happened to me, I would probably quit because I'm just like, I can't. I'm too scared. But yeah, like, he's amazing. He's an amazing skater, so I'm not surprised. He has a very, very strong mental, so I'm honestly not surprised that he kept skating. But
Because he came back and medaled in the Olympic Games.
Yeah.
On top of that.
Yeah, he was like, oh, nothing can take me.
Yeah.
I was like, dang, you go.
Slice your leg open and then go medal.
Right. We love a good comeback story, though.
No
so.
kidding. No kidding.